I've been seeing people around the place making ice pizza. I think I'm gonna go one better. Today, we're making snow pizza. We've got plenty of it as well. So you're gonna start with just a little bit of like fatty pork, like guanciale or smoked pork or something, diced really small. And you give that a light, nice slow rendering so it gets all sort of crispy and delicious. Pizza dough, a little bit of a flour on the surface. Grab that pizza dough before it freezes so we get a nice crispy base. Make sure it doesn't get too puffy in the middle. So the guanciale is rendering out nicely. And then right next to it, on this burner, on a medium-low heat, gonna get our dough and plonk that down as well. Lovely. Gonna give it a couple of seconds. And then it's time for the main ingredient. Snow that's on top of the well. So grab a good old handful of that. And then down it goes. So to help it along, we just close the lid on it and let it get all nice and steamy. So you can see that it's starting to melt, starting to bubble through where you've scored it. And it's basically sort of making the top a little bit doughy, a little bit saucy. Gonna get some cheese, Parmesan Reggiano. And just like with the ice pizza, you put just a huge amount of cheese on. What you're trying to do here is make it like sort of saucy. It's gonna mingle with the water, the snow melt, and you're gonna end up with some delicious flavors. Go, you good thing, go. Now I'm talking like a lot of cheese. And then next up, you're gonna get your nice, fatty, crispy bits of guanciale. Absolutely beautiful. Some black salt. A lot of pepper. So you can see it's sort of bubbling through here. That's sort of what we want to see. Gives it a nice sort of sauciness on the top of the pizza. It's looking pretty beautiful. So what we'll do is on the edges, they're cooked, but we'll give it a nice torch finish to sort of really drive home that pizza look. I've already cut off one piece and eaten it. I know what it tastes like. It's damn tasty. So give it a nice chop. Good crunch on that. My goodness. Oh. Good crispy bottom. Whoever figured out that ice on a pizza was a good idea, very clever person. But if you live in an environment like this, just use snow. You've got a freezer outside. It's quite fun, that. It's quite fun. It makes zero sense that this should work, but it really does. My God. Nice crust too. Cooked all the way through. It was quite a fascinating experiment actually, because obviously the snow is not going to impart any flavor at all, but the texture, it's really weird in a good way. So like it cooks the dough, but then on top there ends up being sort of like this sticky, cheesy, parmesan-y sauce that is just lovely. It's quite a versatile thing, the pizza, isn't it? Yeah, again, whoever invented that or whoever came up with the idea, just remarkable.